Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We are not dating, we're just good friends from a very long time. Those are words of Mohale after rumors of him dating with Wiseman Zitha. Recently they posted a photo of them in a bathtub at the Palala Botin game launch. That led them to the rumors of dating each other. Both Wiseman and Mohale denied that they are dating. Mohale said he's not ready to date again after he broke up with Somizi Mhlongo, who abused him and being controlling. When Mohale asked by publication, he said, "People don't know that we know each other from way back because they see us now in public and assume what they want, and there's nothing we can do." That are Mohale's words. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.